set the tables. To set the tables, remember what are the first course? Appetizer, right? So which one is the appetizer? Show me. This is the basic, alright? So appetizers, fork, appetizer knife, put on the left and right. So this one, use your finger. So you'll be straight line, straight line. Use your finger. Thumb, sorry, not finger. Okay, outside, start with outside. Appetizer knife, appetizer fork. And the tip of the, you can see the tip of the knife, right? Should not be that way. It should be inside. Why is it inside? Because later when you pick up, you can just straight cut it. Kalau macam ni terbalik, nak kena pusing lagi because that's why fine dining is created. Everything has a reason. Okay. So this one here, this one here. This is appetizer. Next is what? Soup. Okay. The soup is which one?
The round one.
The round one. Very good. So soup, remember, soup is single, no partner. Alright. So you put beside the appetizer knife. Okay. Remember, one straight line, And next one is main course. Main course, put basic one. Basic one is dinner knife and dinner fork. Although the guests, because the guests came, you don't know yet they are taking beef or taking fish, right? So basic, put the basic chicken, right? So put it here, okay, besides, then besides, and then you can push a little bit here. Do not be too wide. I don't want to see like this. Do not be too near. Okay, it should be at least standard. Okay, see, one straight line. Okay, and here's the appetizer, soup, main course. Last is the dessert. Dessert only put dessert fork and dessert knife. Alright, where do you put your dessert? Dessert should not put here. Don't put here. I know it looks old. Dessert should be here. No, it should be on the top. So dessert here. Why is it here? Later, when you want to serve the dessert, it will go down like this. Understand? So let it be here first. Okay. Sorry. Okay. And then once you have the dessert, then you use this one. This one is called as baby plate. BB plate. Butter plate. Alright. BB plate. Put on your left side. Okay. Same line. And then put